Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we have going to learn Standard 10th entire Sanskrit. Lesson number 1, Adya Krushakah Pruthuvenyah. In previous video of this lesson, we have learned the translation of first two paragraphs and related question and answers. In this video, we have going to learn the translation of remaining paragraph, that means third and fourth paragraph, and related question and answers. Now I read the third paragraph adding with the grammar part. Tada पृथुभूपेन तदर्थं धनुः सज्जीकृतं. Sajjikrutam, word sajja means ready. Here we see sajja adding with the verb krutam, that is dhatu sadhit visheshan. It is a chvi roop, means the chvi forms adding with the e. तदा भूमिः स्त्रीरूपं धृत्वा तस्य पुरतः प्रकटिता अभवत् अवदत् च. धृत्वा पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित त्वान्तव्ये. तस्य पुरतः, पुरतः as a indeclinable. पुरतः expects षष्ठी विभक्ति of the words for in front of whom or where. तस्य as the षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचन of pronoun tad. अभवत and अवदत are the लंग लकार form. हे राजेंद्र, तव पिता दुःशासकः वेनराजः राजधर्मस्य पालनं नाकरोत्. नाकरोत् संधि न प्लस अकरोत्. तदा मया चोरलुण्ठकभयात् धनधान्यपुष्पफलानि मम उदरे निहितानि. त्वं तु प्रजाहितदक्षः नृपः. यदि त्वं प्रयत्नेन कृषिकार्यं करोषि लट्लकार, तर्हि अहं प्रसन्ना भविष्यामि. भविष्यामि लुट्लकार, इट मीन्स सेकेंड फ्यूचर टेंस. अतः धनुः त्यज, त्यज लोट्लकार. खनित्राणि हलान कुदालकानि लवित्राणि च हस्ते गृहीत्वा प्रजाजनैः सह कृषिकार्यं कुरु. गृहीत्वा ग्रह पूर्वकालवाचक धातुसाधित त्वान्तव्ये. प्रजाजनैः सह, सह as a indeclinable and sah expects the tritiya vibhakti. The person or thing with who or what is to be expressed in tritiya vibhakti. Here prajajan is an akaranta noun and its tritiya bahuvachan is prajajanehi. And the last kuru is a lot lakar. Now we see the translation of third paragraph. तदा पृथुभूपेन तदर्थं धनुः सज्जीकृतं. धनुः bow, the similar words chapah. Then King Pruthu got his bow ready. तदा भूमिः स्त्रीरूपं धृत्वा तस्य पुरतः प्रकटिता अभवत् अवदत् च. At that time the earth appeared before him taking the form of a lady and said, हे राजेंद्र, तव पिता दुःशासकः वेनराजः राजधर्मस्य पालनं न अकरोत्. O king, your father King Vena was a bad ruler who did not follow the duties of a king. तदा मया चोरलुण्ठकभयात् धनधान्यपुष्पफलानि मम उदरे निहितानि. निहितानि embedded, udare in my belly. Then out of fear of thieves and cheats, I kept the wealth, grain, flowers and fruits embedded in my belly. Tvam tu prajahita dakshah nrupah. But you are a king who is attentive towards the welfare of the subject. Yadi tvam प्रयत्नेन कृषिकार्यं करोषि, तर्हि अहं प्रसन्ना भविष्यामि. If you do farming with efforts, I shall be pledged. अतः धनुः त्यज. Hence, give up the bow. खनित्राणि हलान कुदालकान लवित्राणि च हस्ते गृहीत्वा प्रजाजनैः सह कृषिकार्यं कुरु. Taking up the pickaxes, ploughs, spades and sickles in your hand, start farming along with the subjects. Okay students, now see the last fourth paragraph. भूमातुः उपदेशं मनसि निधाय पृथुवेन्यः नदीनां मार्गम् अवरुद्ध्य कृषिकार्यार्थं जलस्य उपयोगम् अकरोत्. निधाय and अवरुद्ध्य as a पूर्वकालवाचक धातु साधित लेब्यंत अव्यय. अकरोत् लङ्लकार. वृष्टिजलसञ्चयं कृत्वा जलव्यवस्थापनम् अकरोत्. कृत्वा पूर्वकालवाचक धातु साधित त्वान्त अव्यय. भूमिम् उर्वरतमां कर्तुं प्रायतत. कर्तुं हेत्वर्थक धातु साधित तुमन्त अव्यय. तदनन्तरं तस्मिन् क्षेत्रे जनाः धान्यबीजानि अवपन्. अवपन् लङ्लकार. सः नैकेभ्यः वृक्षेभ्यः विविधप्रकारकाणां बीजानां सङ्कलनं चयनं च परिश्रमेण अकरोत्. अनन्तरं बीजानां संस्करणं कृत्वा वपनम् अकरोत्. पर्जन्यानन्तरं बीजेभ्यः अङ्कुराः उद्भूताः. धान्यलाभेन सर्वे प्रजाजनाः सन्तुष्टाः च अभवन्. अभवन् लङ्लकार. एषः कल्याणकारी नृपः पृथिव्यां प्रशासने अग्रणीः जनसेवाव्रती च अभवत्. अभवत् as a long lakar. Now we start the translation. भूमातुः उपदेशं मनसि निधाय पृथुवेन्यः नदीनां मार्गम् अवरुद्ध्य कृषिकार्यार्थं जलस्य उपयोगम् अकरोत्. निधाय मनसि निधाय keeping in mind. अवरुद्ध्य having blocked. Keeping Mother Earth's advice in mind, Prithuvenya having blocked the path of river, used the water for farming. वृष्टि जलसञ्चयं कृत्वा जलव्यवस्थापनम् अकरोत्. जलव्यवस्थापनं water management. Harvesting rainwater, he brought about water management. भूमिम् उर्वरतमां कर्तुं प्रायतत. Urvaratamam means fertile. He tried to make the earth fertile. तदनन्तरं तस्मिन् क्षेत्रे जनाः धान्यबीजानि अवपन्. Thereafter, people sow seeds in that field. सः नैकेभ्यः वृक्षेभ्यः विविधप्रकारकाणां बीजानां सङ्कलनं चयनं च परिश्रमेण अकरोत्. Sankalanam collection and chayanam means selection or picking. He collected and picked different type of seeds from many trees with effort. Anantaram bijanam sanskaranam krutva vapanam akarot. Sanskaranam treating. Vapanam to sow. Then he sowed the seeds after treating them. पर्जन्यानन्तरं बीजेभ्यः अङ्कुराः उद्भूताः. उद्भूताः came outside. अङ्कुराः sprouts. After the rains, sprouts came out from the seeds. धान्यलाभेन सर्वे प्रजाजनाः सन्तुष्टाः च अभवन्. All the subjects became happy after getting crops. एषः कल्याणकारी नृपः पृथिव्याः प्रशासने अग्रणीः जनसेवाव्रती च अभवत्. This benevolent king became a pioneer in ruling the earth, the one who pledged to serving people. Okay students, in this way we completed our translation of this lesson. Now we see the grammar part related with these two paragraphs, that means third and fourth paragraph. Here I show you glossary, Shabdarthaha, the meanings of various words. Then Sandhi Vigrahah, dissolve the sandhis. Next, Dhatusadit Avyay. Here we find out Tumanta, Twanta and Labhyanta, all avyas. In Tumanta, Kartum. In Twanta, Krutva, Gruhitva, Dhrutva. And Labhyanta avyay, Nithaya, Avarudhya. The next as a Vibhaktyanta Padani Likhata. All the Vibhaktis are included here. Okay students, now we see the question and answers. The question number 1 is Uchitam Karanam or Paryayam Chitva Vakyam Punarlikhata. Choose the correct options or reason and rewrite the sentence. The question number 2, Kaha Kam Vadati. Who said to whom? Question number 3, Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. Write the Sanskrit answer in brief. Question number 4, Vakyam Punarlikhitva Satyam Asatyam Likhata. Mention true or false with given sentence. Question number 5, Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Make the question tag. Question number 6, Melanam Kuruta. Match the column. Here included Visheshanam, adding with Vishesham. Question number 7, Lakaram Likhata. See the verb and write the lakar. Question number 8, Kramena Yojayat, means arrange the given sentence in sequence. Okay student, here we completed our question and answers. I hope so you understand all the translation of this lesson, all the question and answers also, and the given grammar part. Okay children, read and remember the answer of all the questions and revise the topic well. Thank you.